Hello, welcome to week 4 of our class. Just a reminder that you will continue reading the book you've selected so that you're ready with your group soon to have some discussions and compare notes. Your main assignment this week will be to do a few more readings from current theorists around culturally responsive pedagogy, uh, Pedro Noguera, and Lisa Delpit. And you don't need to submit notes on those readings. Just read them, soak them in, get some good ideas so that you can use some of their ideas to contribute in your discussion one, which is a synthesis of different authors that you've read. It's listed in the assignment, who you can refer to in this as you're writing 4 to 6 paragraphs to post your discussion. This is the big class-wide discussion that we're having. It's due this week, and it's really the main assignment. So take your time, look through the notes and the rubrics, and then think about where you stand and have contributions from at least 4 of the sources that you've read with quotes or ideas cited by them, as well as your own thoughts about culturally responsive teaching or coaching. And the final assignment this week is for Group B to post their TED Talks. So remember, you're posting a 3 to 5 minute video that has you elaborating on something you're really passionate about in education. And then if you are posting this week in Group B, you'll be watching in the second part of the week as people respond to your discussion. So you need to post by Wednesday at midnight so that your other classmates have time to get back to you with their thoughts. And remember, if you're not in Group B, you are going to be discussing with at least 2 members who did post this week what they're thinking, questions, other viewpoints, or things you agree with in their posting. Enjoy.